Right, Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. Down here starting one on Moore Street in Bowling Springs. It's a Saturday morning, a little bit of nip in the air, makes for a perfect day to work. We've got part of the shingles here, the rest of them I'll be picking up on Monday. We're using a Tamco Heritage 30-year shingle. We're going to lift them up with that bad boy right there. My guy said he got tired of carrying them, so I went out and bought him a lift. And here we go. Right. Got a light. Thomas got it going on over there, boys. Going on it.